if you have given this figure where the circle and the square are placed like this, then can you compare their perimeter? Hey everyone, this is Saili and welcome back to my channel. The solution is going to be very interesting. So let's start. Now here we have given a circle and a square, and all of us know that what is the perimeter of circle and a square, right? What is the perimeter of a circle? It is clearly 2 pi r, where r is the radius of a circle, and perimeter of a square is 4 times the side of the square, right? So to get the relation between the two, we have to do some construction here. So for that, let's fix the center of the circle. So we have fixed the center. Now join this point and the center like this. So this is the radius of a circle, right? So let me denote it by r. Now the next thing is just join this point here also. Now again, this is also a radius of a circle, right? So denote it by r. Now let's extend this smaller line segment, that is the radius. So like this. So the angle here is 90 degree, right? Now let's denote this side by a letter B and this as A. So we have this segment as B. Similarly, look at this. Here also we have this segment as B, right? Now what is the perimeter of a circle? From here we have 2 pi r, right? What is the perimeter of the square? Now clearly here the side of the square is b plus b, which is 2 times b. So what is the perimeter of a square? It is 4 times 2b, which is 8b. Now we just have to compare these two, right? So to compare the two, we must have some relation between r and b, right? So for that, let's use a famous theorem, which is Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have, now this angle is 90 degree. So a square plus b square is equal to r square, right, from here. And again we have a equation which is 2 times b is same as r plus a, right? Because here the length is 2b, and if you look at this, then this r plus a is nothing but a side which is parallel to the side of the square, right? So r plus a is nothing but the side of the square. So these two are equal. Now to get the relation between b and r, just put the value of a from here. So what is a? A is nothing but 2b minus r, right? So a square is, just take the square, which is 2b minus r the whole square. Use the formula that x minus y the whole square is x square minus 2xy plus y square, and this gives us a square is 4b square minus 4br plus r square. Now put the value here. So we have 4b square minus 4br plus r square plus b square is equal to r square, right? Now simplify this. So this r square cancels, and this 4b square plus b square is 5b square, and take this minus br there. So we have 4br, right? Now just simplify this. Now look at b. So b is some non-zero quantity, so we can cancel b. So we have 5b is equal to 4 times r. So here we have a relation between b and r, right? So either you put the value of r, which is 5b upon 4, or you put the value of b, which is 4r upon 5, to compare these two, right? So from here we have r is equal to 5 times b divided by 4. Now put the value here. So we have 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi times 5b divided by 4, right? Simplify this. So this is 5b times pi divided by 2, and which is approximately 7.85 times b. Now clearly this is less than 8b, right? That means what? 2 pi r is strictly less than 8 times b. That means we have the perimeter of the circle is less than the perimeter of the square. I hope you have understood this. If you have any other answer, then please tell me in the comment section. We will meet again in the next interesting video. Till then, enjoy while learning.